What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and all you can really see is that smile from Amazon. It's actually upside down, so I guess we could call it a frown. But this box is huge, so definitely it should be a smile. And we're gonna get right in here. Got the blue alien on deck, and let's get in this thing and see what's in here, what's new. Cut this thing out. Looks like another box is in here. Way to unbox something. And we got another huge box inside here. Still can't really see what it is, but I'm guessing in a second. Got a black box in here. Here we go, guys. Can this stand up in here? Barely. So let's get right in here. This is the Scarlet Mini-Vet. The Mini-Vet Quick Start Guide. Awesome little book. We got this thing here. Safety warning and all of that. Orange. And we got a gimbal on here and all. Nice. Looks like a 3-axis gimbal. We got the battery here. Set that to the side. USB charging cable. Got props in here. Looks like there's only 4 props in here. Oh, there's another set of 4. So we get an extra set of spare props. And wow, this might be the smallest 5.8 gigahertz receiver monitor that I've seen. This thing is tiny. I wonder if this is the same size as the G10 watch. But that's the monitor. I imagine it's not for FPV, and really it's just for lining up shots. You got a charging brick here for that proprietary battery there. Not sure how that works. I guess it plugs in some kind of way. Oh, it's there. It plugs in there. Came in this box here. And right there. And the transmitter. Pretty nice transmitter. No LCD display though. I like the black and orange. The gimbals feel nice. Nice hobby grade transmitter. I don't know what this is. The R2 has a spring action to it. This is a 3-position switch. Another 3-position switch. And another three position switches. And I'm guessing these are the trim buttons and all. Power button there. Let's see. Takes 6 AA batteries. Pretty nice. So just a quick start guide. Really no user manual. No full user manual. I didn't see anyhow. Guess I missed that. Check. Okay, so It's lighter than it looks. It looks heavier than it actually is. And let's remove this thing here. Very nice finish on it. I really like the way this thing looks. Excellent craftsmanship. We have, looks like a USB port for updating firmware and all. So pretty awesome. Really looking forward to flying this thing and testing it out. Going to have to take this thing to the field. And so you guys can expect to see some flight footage from this coming very soon. As soon as I can get out to the field. But we're going to test this thing out. You're going to see some flights of this. And maybe a quick review. Ultimately, maybe a full review. The Wingsland Minivet. Courtesy of DB Power. Thanks for watching.